Miss Heaven!
Heaven Perelejo, Best Actress na sa Japan. Panalo sa Jinseo Arigato International Film Festival para sa Lilim. Isang proud moment na naman para sa Pinoy talent sa international stage dahil si Heaven Perelejo ay kinilala bilang Best Actress para sa kanyang role sa pelikulang Lilim sa Jinseo Arigato International Film Festival sa Nagoya, Japan. Ginanap ang awarding noong Mayo 25, 2025 sa Menicon Theater at hindi lang si Heaven ang wagi. Kasama rin niyang nanalo ang direktor ng pelikula na si Mikhail Red na tinanghal na Best Director. Isang malaking karangalan ito, hindi lang para sa kanila, kundi para sa buong industriya ng pelikulang Pilipino. Bago pa man ang awards night, ipinagdiwang na ng Viva Artists Agency ang kanyang nomination noong Mayo 4 para sa Thriller Suspense Horror Best Actress category. At ngayon, siya na mismo ang nanalong bituin. Sa pelikulang Lilim, pinatunayan ni Heaven na hindi lang siya pang rom-com o teen drama, kaya rin niyang dalhin ang intense at psychological roles. Hindi biro ang genre na ito, pero sa kanyang performance na ipakita niya ang lalim, emosyon at galing sa pag-arte. Iba talaga kapag ang artista ay bukod sa ganda, may matinding commitment sa craft. At si Heaven, clearly, hindi lang artista, kundi award-winning actress na ngayon, recognized internationally. Ang ganitong pagkilala ay patunay na lumalawak na ang mundo ng mga Filipino talents. At kahit anong genre, kahit anong bansa, kaya nating makipagsabayan. Congratulations, Heaven! At syempre, hats off din kay Direk Mikhail Red, isang powerful collaboration na nagbunga ng international success.
Tonight, a young female actress that has graced numerous film and TV projects will shine as one of the best actresses of our time. She has proven herself to have developed her exceptional acting despite coming from a unique reality show.
Oh my God! Baka yan na yung reality.
Her remarkable performance in a horror film called Gilly.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Ladies and gentlemen, our best actress for horror suspense thriller is no less than Miss Heaven.
Go anak! Go anak! Woo! 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 Oh my God!
Ready, but just in case, so I made some notes, and here it goes. To my director, Direk Mick, thank you for trusting me with this role, for pushing me beyond what I could give, and for reminding me why I love this craft. Maraming salamat po. And to my mom, you are my reason, my rock, and my everything. I offer this to you. And this award, sobrang grateful lang talaga ako. Thank you so much. And this is for the people who believed in me when I didn't even believe in myself. Maraming salamat po. People who believed in me when I didn't even believe in myself. Maraming salamat po.
Congrats, Tita!